Maybe leave the creation of life forms for the professionals. Could a virus really destroy humanity? Sneeze and it's a death warrant. The question is that possible? Well, the answer is yes, but don't worry, it's unlikely. You see, we know the genes responsible for airborne transmission of viruses. Fascinating, isn't it? But here's the kicker. Picture this: in the future, high school kids might become super geniuses capable of manipulating life forms. Imagine them at the science fair, typing away on a typewriter-like device, creating life forms just like that. They'll be like little genetic wizards, conjuring creatures with a few clicks. Crazy, right? Now, before you panic, remember this is still a long shot. But it's mind-blowing to think how close we might be to that reality. So, high school kids, put those keyboards to good use, but